In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in constant contact emails. If you're polishing a campaign and want a headline or call out to stand out, centering text is a quick professional touch. I'll walk you through it clearly, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help your email look great on both desktop and mobile. Start by opening Constant Contact and navigating to the email draft you want to work on. This brings you into the editor, where you can see your layout and all the content blocks you've added. Give the draft a moment to load so the toolbar and formatting options are ready to use. Next, click the specific text block you want to edit. Constant Contact organizes content into blocks, so make sure you're selecting the one that actually contains the text you want centered. Often a headline block, a subheader, or a short promotional line. When you click into the block, you'll see the editing toolbar appear. Now highlight the exact text you want to center. You can select a single word, a full sentence, or an entire paragraph. Be precise here. If you only want the headline centered, but not the paragraph below it, drag to highlight just the headline. If you highlight everything in the block, all of it will center, which may not be what you intend. With the text highlighted, click the Center Alignment button in the toolbar. The icon typically shows lines stacked in the middle. One click applies center alignment immediately. If you change your mind, you can click left or right alignment to adjust. Keep in mind that centered text is most effective for short lines. Long paragraphs are usually easier to read when left aligned. Take a moment to check the text placement in the email editor. Look for even spacing above and below, make sure line breaks look clean, and confirm that centered text doesn't crowd images or buttons. If something feels off, click back into the block, adjust the selection, and reapply the center alignment until it looks balanced. Before you send, preview the email on desktop and mobile. Use the built-in preview to toggle between views and confirm the centered text still looks intentional on smaller screens. Headlines should remain clear, and any centered lines should not wrap awkwardly. If you notice issues in the preview, return to the editor and fine-tune the selection or alignment, then preview again to verify. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. Centering the right text helps your message pop and keeps your design consistent across devices. Thanks for watching and happy editing.